Hello everybody, my name is Fern. I'm member class BCK4. And how does it feel today? Oh, it's too hot, right? But I hope that you still have the highest energy to study English. Okay, last week I showed you a way to pronounce S and ES in the ending of the word. And now in this video, I'll continue to give you the rules to pronounce ed ending and the first rule to pronounce linking sound. Okay, let's start with ed ending. The first rule, after unvoiced consonants such as k, we pronounce t. For example, stop, stopped, laugh, laughed, look, looked, rush, rushed, and work, worked. The second, after vowel or voice consonant, we pronounce d. For example, play, played, close, closed, fill, filled, clean, cleaned, and show, showed. Okay, and the last rule is the words with ending t and d. We pronounce eat. For example, want, wanted, paint, painted, or point, pointed, ate, ate, land, landed, depart, departed. Okay, a finish of ed ending sound, and let's move to linking sound. The first rule is the phrase or two words have consonants and vowel. For example, speak, speak, it. We use linking sound is speak it. Find out, find out. Fill in, fill in. Worry, worried about, worried about. As much as possible, as much as possible. Okay, finish. Bye bye.